Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide a mixed number by a fraction. To do this question, you will write this mixed number as an improper fraction. So you do 7 times 2, which is 14. Then 14 plus this one at the top, you have 15. You write 15 over the denominator, which is this 7. You write your division again. Then you write 2 over 14 again. You keep the fraction at the left the same, meaning you write 15 over 7 again. Change this division to multiplication. Then you flip 2 over 14. When you flip 2 over 14, 14 will go up and become the numerator. Then 2 will come down and become the denominator. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 15 and 7. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 14 and 2, and that number is 2. So we are going to divide by 2. So you do 2 divided by 2, that gives you 1. 14 divided by 2, that gives you 7. Alright? Now, you check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 7 and 7, and that number is 7 itself. So we are going to divide by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. You multiply the numerators that are left. So you do 15 times 1, that gives you 15. Over, you multiply the denominators we have left, you do 1 times 1, that gives you 1. 15 divided by 1 is 15. Now for this second question, you will write this mixed number as an improper fraction. You do 6 times 4, which is 24, plus this one on top, you have 25. So you write 25 over the denominator, which is 6. Then you write your division again, and then you write 5 over 6 again. Alright? Then you keep the fraction at the left the same, meaning you write 25 over 6 again. Very easy. Then you change this division to multiplication. Turn 5 over 6 upside down. Now when you flip 5 over 6, 6 will go up and become the numerator. 5 will come down and become the denominator. So when you flip 5 over 6, you will have 6 over 5. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 25 and 6. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 6 and 5. Check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 6 and 6, and that number is 6 itself. So we are dividing by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 25 and 5, and that number is 5 itself. So we divide by 5. 5 divided by 5, you have 1. 25 divided by 5, you will have 5. Multiply the numerators that are left. You do 5 times 1, that gives you 5. Multiply the denominators. You do 1 times 1, that gives you 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Have a great day.